This man just shattered the record for working with metal at over 400 degrees Celsius, and you won't believe what he created. He begins by heating the metal to an unbelievable temperature, working with absolute precision in these extreme conditions. But it's not just about the heat, it's about the vision behind his craft. Once the metal reaches its peak, he carefully shapes it with a steady hand, ensuring every detail is perfect. However, the danger is real, so he follows strict safety measures to avoid mishaps. Next, he refines the surface with a metal scratch, smoothing every edge before applying a special coating that adds strength and a mesmerizing finish. With the final touches complete, the result is absolutely breathtaking. From raw, glowing metal to a stunning creation, this is craftsmanship at its peak.